guys! Welcome to my video. And this is me again, Precious Ashley Aipama. And last time gumawa ko ng tawag din guys. Yung pinapakato yung buong house ko. Yun. Pwede po kayo bumili ng big. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman po yung second floor. Okay, let's go. Yung hagdanan namin. Sorry po guys. Makalat. Ito wala lang. Yung in na lang. Ayan. So, dito tayo. Ayan. And yeah, this is all the shoes. Shoes lahat yan. Yan. My bag. My shirt, t-shirt, short, dress. Yan. Next. Kwarto ng tita.
Ano ka na?
Quiet. Wala. Next. Ay, wait lang. And this is our room. Let's start here. And all the clothes. All the clothes again. Again. All the clothes. Yes. Yeah, lahat yung clothes. The aircon. Yes, aircon. Now, dito po ako bababay. Bye-bye, guys.